Good evening, students. Today we are going to read poem The Road Not Taken, written by Robert Frost, class 9th English. Brief introduction to the poem. Once the poet was going through a forest. He reached a point where the path branched out in two directions. Branched out means divided. Both the paths looked equally attractive. The poet decided to take the one that was less traveled by. Means people less traveled on that road. Years later, means after so many years, the poet recalls his making that choice. He says that it has made all the difference. The poet means to say that the choices which one makes in one's life are made forever. One cannot turn back and make a second choice. Therefore, it is essential to make one's choices very carefully. Now, detailed summary of the poem. It was the autumn season. The poet was going through a forest. He reached a point from where the road diverged in two directions. Being the only traveler, means he was the only traveler, he could not travel by both the roads at the same time. He had to choose one of the two. The poet stood there and thought for a long time. He looked down one of the roads as far as he could. देखता रहा जितना वो देख सकता था उस रोड को. He could see it up to the point where the road bent behind the bushes. The poet decided to take the other road. It was as beautiful as the first one. Grass grew on this road. Grew is second form of grow. Grew, grown, उगी हुई थी. Grass grew on this road. It showed that the road had not been used much. Means the road had no person travelled on that road. The poet thought this road had better claim to be travelled by. However, in fact, both the roads had been used almost equally. That morning both the roads were covered with leaves. No traveller had gone by them so far. Neither of them had been made black by any treading on them. कोई वहाँ पर कुछ black नहीं था कि कोई कुचला हुआ ऐसा कुछ नहीं था वहाँ पर. The poet decided to go by the second road and kept the first one for another day. उसने सोचा पहले second को try किया जाए उसके बाद फिर first को देखते हैं. However, the poet knew that there was little chance of his coming back, since every road leads to a new road. The poet imagines a time many ages hence. He says that he will then recall means again remember, to his mind how he had chosen one of the two roads which diverged means divided or bent in a forest. He will recall how he had decided to travel by the less frequented road. Means उस पर बहुत ही कम लोग चले थे. He will then see that his choice had made all the difference. In other words, it affected not only the future course of the poet's life on this earth but also the course of his spirit after his death. So, what is the meaning or theme of this poem? Means it is not affected only the future course of the poet's life on this earth but also the course of his spirit after his death. Means whatever you decide that is final.